Hey everyone, welcome to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to show you how to reset the Wi-Fi connection on your Ring doorbell. Whether you've changed your Wi-Fi network or are experiencing connectivity issues, resetting your Ring doorbell's Wi-Fi is a straightforward process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your Ring doorbell back online and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Preparation. Before we begin, make sure you have your smartphone or tablet handy with the Ring app installed and logged in. This is essential for managing your Ring devices. Step 2. Open the Ring app. First, open the Ring app on your device. Navigate to the Devices section where you'll find your Ring doorbell listed. Step 3. Select your doorbell. Tap on your Ring doorbell to open its settings. Look for the option that says Device Health or Device Settings depending on your app version. This is where you'll manage your device's configurations. Step 4. Enter Setup Mode. Scroll down until you find the option to put your Ring doorbell into Setup Mode. This mode allows you to reconnect it to a Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Follow app instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Ring app to enter Setup Mode. This usually involves pressing the Setup button on your Ring doorbell until it enters Setup Mode, indicated by a spinning white light. Step 6. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Once your Ring doorbell is in Setup Mode, the Ring app will prompt you to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. Select your new Wi-Fi network, or the one you want to connect to, and enter the network password when prompted. Step 7. Complete setup. After entering the Wi-Fi credentials, your Ring doorbell will attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll receive a confirmation message in the Ring app. Conclusion, and there you have it. You've successfully reset the Wi-Fi connection on your Ring doorbell. Remember, if you ever need to change Wi-Fi networks or troubleshoot connectivity, these steps will guide you through the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.